a package from YouTube. I feel like crying. My first gift box. The card has my name. Hi Favor. I have a package to unbox. Should I show you? Should I show you? Favor makes some of course. 2024 has been like a really good year for me. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Favor Mesoma here again. This channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, skincare, my journey in life, my journey as a law student, all that good stuff. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in this type of content, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, of course you know how much I love you and what you mean to me. Let's dive right straight into the video. So I'm sure you're seeing this. Yeah. So let me just give you a little backstory. I was in church today. Today is actually Sunday, and after working in church, because I work in church, I got a message from GRWM to come pick up a package. Honestly speaking, I was thinking it was a bag I ordered because I ordered for a bag from fe.label. I'll be leaving their Instagram handle somewhere around the description box down below. And I was like, oh, okay, my bag has finally arrived because they just finished doing their sales. So let me go and pick it up. Just for me to go to GIG, and I was seeing in the description where I'm to fill and sign and write my phone number and the rest. That it was writing gift box. Okay. A few days before that, I noticed YouTube have been sending out gift box to YouTube creators and the rest. I was just talking with one of my really close friends and I was telling her, oh, I wish YouTube can just send me this gift box. So it's just as if they were just listening, they were inside the room with me and all that stuff. Guess what? Let's unbox. So this is my first gift box. I'm so excited, like I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy. So earlier this year, I think sometime around April, I attended the YouTube Made For You event. I'll be leaving the link to like a short somewhere above as well so you can see the video. Yes. And I was given certificates and all that stuff. I graduated and I'm now a short superstar. In the whole YouTube Made For You event, they taught us all you need to know about shorts, the YouTube algorithm, all that stuff, and what have you. Trust me, the class was really exciting. So that was paying attention to the classes, but I wasn't that consistent with like posting videos in my channel. I'm not going to lie, and yes, I know that's bad of me, but I really followed up on all the classes and every other thing. Let's keep the long story. I have a package to unbox. You're going to unbox with me. Should I show you? Should I show you? Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. I actually forgot my scissors, but I'm just going to rip this off. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the box. Yeah, this is the box. Okay, how do I open it? Oh, okay, it's actually a flip box, so I will just flip it. I have a package from YouTube. I feel like crying. Okay, calm down. So this is what the box looks like. Let me show you guys. Like, can you see? So first of all, there is a card. Oh God, like the card has my name. Hi Favor. Favor makes some of course. Hi Favor, this is a token of our appreciation for being an important part of the YouTube Women's Mentorship Program 2024. We hope the experience was valuable and that the lessons learned will benefit your channel. Feel free to create a short showcasing your gift. We would love to see how you are using it. Thank you for your patience and enjoy your gift. Best regards, Monto's YouTube Community Partner Manager. Oh my God. Gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just open the box and show you guys what's inside. Okay, I have this like sort of what I don't even know what they call it. Yeah, but you know what this is? Okay, let me show you the other stuff. Oh my gosh, I have a tote bag too. I have a tote bag with like the YouTube logo. Oh my god. Okay. Then up next inside the box, I have this with the YouTube logo, of course, on it. Jesus Christ, like I don't even know what I did to deserve this, but I mean, okay. Like, can you see the bag? Like, can you just see? Like, and the bag screams quality. Okay, the box is empty now though. 2024 has been like a really good year for me generally. First of all, I got into YouTube Made For You program. Next up, I got into Beauty Hut as well. Next up, I am now a chartered arbitrator. I took the ICMC course and it was successful. 2024 has just been filled with like a whole lot of blessings. I'm not even going to lie, and I wasn't expecting this in any way. Like, okay, with me from the very day since I started this channel, it's been part of my growth. I just want to say I love you so much. Even if you've not been part of my growth and you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, I love you and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. And this channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, skincare, my journey in life. I want to say thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sending me DMs. Thank you for interacting with me. Just thank you so much because you mean a lot to me. Like just the like alone, subscribing to my channel alone, commenting, every single thing you do, it means a lot to me. And I also want to say thank you YouTube for the package. I wasn't really expecting this. This just ended my year joyfully. Definitely there are still more good things to come. So thank you so much YouTube. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much Montos. And see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.